Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cinyunglove. This is the Birkin size 25 in a togo leather, black color with a rose gold hardware. When I was unboxing this bag, I was quite surprised with the size actually. So I never see the Birkin 25 in person. Never thought it will be so tiny like this. Just search it from YouTube and from Instagram. So here you go. The Birkin in the size 25. Let me share my story of purchasing this Birkin 25. I bought this from a reseller market, so it's not directly from the Hermes store because it's never available in the Hermes boutique in my hometown especially. And also if you want to get the B or K or C, you need to have a purchase history first in their boutique for a certain amount, and after that they will put your wish list into their waiting list. We need to buy some of other goods except bags or clutch for a certain amount to build the purchase history in their local boutique, and then they can put you into the wait list. So it took years guys. It needs a long journey to get the B or K or C. But unfortunately, since the pandemic, the stock is so slow, and the SA said she has a customer that has a wish list from 2019, and until now they haven't got the B or K or C yet. So it takes a long time to get the B or K or C from my local boutique. I don't think I can wait any longer, so that's why I decided to get the Birkin from a reseller market. So I bought it in the reseller market. It's a brand new in box. They say it like a BNIB and coming with the stamp Y, but the receipt is in 2021, in the mid 2021. This color is black with the rose gold hardware. The color is black with the rose gold hardware. So the price is significantly very different if you can get it from the Hermes store, of course. And I think it's not a secret anymore, yeah. The reseller markup so high, maybe more than twice. It's more than twice price of the price list in the Hermes boutique. But even though there's still a high price in the reseller market, there's still a lot of demands out there, guys. I deal with the reseller and I got this bag. Yay! So it was sent to me a couple days ago, so it's very fresh, guys. I just wear it a couple of times. Maybe this is the third time I wear this bag. But I like it. The capacity is not small as I think when I first unboxed the bag at the time. Over my expectation, I can bring my stuffs, although it's not a very big bag, but it can fit a lot, guys. Yeah, I love it so much, and it's very cute. Yeah, it's right. It's like a baby Birkin. Baby Birkin, yeah, baby Birkin. Oh yeah, when I realized about the size of this handle, and it's in the size 25. Wait a minute, I have the bags which looks like this Birkin 25. It is my Lady Dior in a size medium. And in a black color too, can you realize that? So I'll put the picture in here so you guys can see the size looks similar but with a different type. Awesome. And why I choose my first Birkin with the black color? Because black color is a classic color of Hermes. Yeah, you never been wrong if you wear a black bag with you. It can fit all of your outfit, even though it's from an informal or until a formal occasion. Especially for longer term, yeah. For longer term, you never wrong with the black color. It's a worry-free of dirt or color transfer. And the resale price, of course, is still hold the value. So yeah. But the purchase price in the reseller market of black, gold and taupe is higher than any other colors, such as like a blue, red or green and etc. And why I choose Birkin 25, not 30? I already have some medium bags in a size 30, such as like Lindy bag, garden party, her bag, and they are all in a 30 centimeters. So I think if I want to add another bag, I think 25 is a good size for me to add it to my collections. I think if I own another Birkin in a size 30, I think it's too much by this time, yeah. I mean by this time. So imagine if I own a Birkin 30, I will bring my laptop into my Birkin 30 and I wear it as a work bag and some other stuffs. I think the bag will get very heavy. And for my first collection of Birkin, I don't want to ruin my Birkin, of course. So that's why I think the tiny size like this in a size 25 is a good option. Easier to taking care. I think the size 25 is a good option for starting a Birkin collection. Yeah. But that's in my opinion, yeah guys. And about the rose gold hardware, I keep searching about the rose gold hardware in Instagram. How is it looks from the camera? But for sure, the rose gold is prettier in person actually. Yeah. Even this camera, I'm not sure it can capture my rose gold hardware or not. But in person, this rose gold hardware is better in person. Trust me guys. So lovely, so pretty. Oh yeah, by the way, I was filming from the tallest hotel building in Indonesia. I think it's the tallest building also, not only hotel building in Indonesia, yeah. It's called Westin, the Westin. So my room is in the 62nd floor with this city view from a bathtub. See this? Cool, right? So at night I'm planning to have a bathtub in here and watching the light in the city light. Wow, so lovely guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful for you if you are considering to have a Birkin 25 or 30 for your first Birkin. And if you have any other questions or comments, please let me know and you can write down in the comment sections below and I will be very happy to answer the comments. So thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next video. See you, bye bye.
Good night.
This is the view from our room in the 62nd floor.
Guys, this is the most awesome view I ever seen in Indonesia. It's the most wonderful kind of
Did you choose Bali or here?
Of course here at night.